Write a program that multiplies 1 byte hex numbers stored in consecutive memory locations starting from 2300H. Store the 2 byte result in consecutive memory locations starting from 2500H, beginning with lower order byte. This is the question. I will explain this question how it is solved. For that purpose, I will explain the example, explain the question considering the number as a decimal number. The same logic we have to apply for the numbers which are in hexadecimal form. Suppose you are having two numbers. One is 65 and second one is 4. That two numbers you have to multiply. One is 65 and second one is 4. You have to multiply 65 and 4. The multiplication of 65 and 4 is nothing but 65 is to be added 4 times or 4 is to be added 65 times. That is called as multiplication. For that purpose, suppose you are having two boxes. One box is called as sum and second box is called as carry. First box is called as sum and second box is called as carry. In both the boxes you are having the number 00. Both the boxes are initially empty. In one of the box, that is also called as register, you have taken a number 65 and in another box you have taken a number 04. That means total you are having 4 boxes. That boxes can be considered as registers. In one box sum, the initial value is 0. Another box carry, initial value is 0. In another third box the number 65 is taken and in fourth box the number 4 is taken. Now add 65 to the first box, that is which is called as sum. Initial value is 0. 0 plus 65, the answer comes to be 65. 0 plus 65, the answer comes to be 65. Is carry is generated? No. As carry is not generated, don't increment the box which is having carry. 65 is added. 0 plus 65, you get 65. That means 1 times 65 is added. Remove one marble from the box. That is, you are now having 3 marbles in the box. Remove one number, decrement one number. Now as number is decrement, the number in that box equal to 3. That means still 3 times you have to add the 65. Now again add the 65. Again add the 65. Again add the 65. Here 65 plus 65, 5 plus 5, 0. Carry over 1. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Carry is generated. As a carry is generated, increment the value in carry box, and the sum box contained only 2 digits. Therefore, you are having the number 30. Now again decrement the number from fourth box. That means 2 times already the addition takes place and 2 times the addition is remaining. Now again add 65 to it. 30 plus 65, that means 0 plus 5, 5, 6 plus 3, 9. Carry is not generated. Therefore, the value from carry box is not incremented. The value remains to be same. That is 1. 1 times again 65 is added. Therefore, remove one marble, decrement the number. The number remain in the fourth box is 1. That means again 1 times 65 is to be added. Add 65 to it. 5 plus 5, 0. Carry over 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. Here you will get answer as 60. As a carry is generated, increment the value from carry box. You will get the answer 2 here. That means the total answer is 260. 65 multiplied by 4, you get the answer as 260. Whatever the logic we applied for the numbers, in decimal form, the same logic we are applying for the hexadecimal form. The number is to be taken from 2300 and 2301. Here LXI H2300, HL becomes 2300. Take the number from memory to register D. This number is taken to register D. Next, INXH, HL gets incremented by 1. It becomes 2301. It becomes 2301. Take the number from memory to E. The number 04 is taken to register E. XRAA, with the help of XRAA, the content of accumulator becomes move A to B, the content of accumulator, that is 00, transferred to register B. That means we have made two boxes as 00. Add D. The content of register D is added. Here you will get the answer 65. JNC, carry is not generated, therefore go to down instruction. Here down instruction, go to the label down, decrement E. That means here the value of E is decremented by 1. Initially you have to add 4 times, already 1 time it is added, therefore decrement. Still you have to add 3 times. JNZ up, the answer is not 0, go to the label up. That means execute the instruction given at this. Add D. 65 plus 65, you will get answer as CA. Carry is not generated, therefore value of B is not incremented. Again decrement E. The value of E decrements by 1, it becomes 02. It is not 0. Go to label up. That means execute that instruction. Add D. After again add 65 to accumulator. The answer comes to be 2F. Carry is generated. Carry is not generated. Then execute the instruction decrement E. But here carry is generated. Therefore increment B. The value of B becomes 01. Then decrement E. The value of E becomes 01. Still you have to add 65 one more time. The answer is not 0. Therefore go to the instruction having at label up. Add D. 2F plus 65. The answer comes to be 94. Decrement E. It becomes 0. If it is not 0, then you have to take the jump. But now the answer is 0. Execute the next instruction. LXI H2500. In HL you get 2500. The low order value is 94, which is in accumulator. Therefore move A to M. Here in that memory location you get 94. INXH, it becomes 2501. Here move B to M. 01 is transferred to that memory location. That means the answer is 0194. 94 is the low order and 01 is the high order. Now here is the program. I am executing that program step by step on a kit. Check the contents of each and every register after execution of each and every instruction. The first instruction is LXI H. Here HL becomes 2300. The next is move M to D. The content of register D becomes 65. Next instruction is INXH. HL becomes 2301. Next instruction is move E to M to E. Contents of memory is brought to register E, that is 04. Next instruction is XRAA. Content of accumulator becomes 0. move A to B, content of register B becomes 0. Add D, content of D added to accumulator becomes 65. Jump not carry is not there, therefore decrement E gets executed after that, therefore decrement E becomes 03. Then go to the instruction again, add D, you will get CA, carry is not generated. Execute, I am executing each and every step. Check the contents of the registers after execution of the each and every instruction. Note down the contents. Finally, you will get the answer as 10194 in the memory location 2501 and 2500. I will execute the program at once. You will get the answer here. Now the same program is executed on the microprocessor kit. Here I will show the content of each and every memory location. You can check it. You are having the program with you, operation code with you. You check the content. Up to 76 is the last, that is halt. Here up to 76. Now you have to enter the data. Already data is entered here. Only we have to check the contents. Reset exam memory. Data is at 2300 and increment 6504 increment. Now reset, go to the location 2000 and execute the program. After execution of the program, you will get the result at reset exam memory 2500 increment, you will get 94, increment you will get 01. Here you will get the contents of different registers 94, 01, 00, 65, 00. Register E becomes 0 because we are decrementing 25011. Again in the memory location also you get the contents. You will get the contents in memory location. Also 2500 94 and 2501 01.